How can you not know your bag is that unzipped? See the bag. Look at it. It's like more open than not. We're just about to leave now, and then we're gonna be at a waterfall. So I'm gonna do a click thing. It's quite like these. So see you at the waterfall. So we're at the waterfall, down this way. It's more of a natural slide rather than a waterfall, I'm led to believe. Just parked up there, literally walked 2 seconds, and there it is. You excited, guys?
Yeah! Yeah!
Woo!
Woo, woo, woo.
I think we try swimming that bit and then we go down there.
Yeah, but I don't want to slide down.
No, we've climbed down, but I'm going to swim in this bit here.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
I should probably get the GoPro out, and I'm going to pack this camera away, and then we're going to go for a swim. So we're all sat by the edge too wimpy to go in because it's like...
No, I'm waiting for you to go in because I'm scared.
Because it's really cold. 3, 2, 1, jump! That guy's sliding in. He's going to go off that bump there.
Yeah.
Oh! How was it? So I just saved this. I don't know what it is. Well, it's a caterpillar, but it's a bit spiky. I'm going to put him in the bush up here. Here you go, little buddy. Oh, big spider. Ready? Woo! Swim this way, swim this way. You go under. It's your turn. Going for a walk, having a lovely time, just going for a walk, going.
Hello.
Hello. Look there.
Oh my god, Chris, don't do that to me! Oh my god!
We're done with the waterfall now, so we're just about to jump on the bikes. We're going to go back to Pai and grab some food. Lottie broke her helmet, the little clip, but I've managed to put it on that way. And Hannah's helmet smells. So
mine smells of like an old man.
Okay, a bit weird, but yeah, I'm going to pack the camera away. We're going to head to town, grab some lunch, and then we're going to go to the hot springs. Headed back into Pai, and we've come into like a nice little restaurant, and we've checked the kitchen. It's not asbestos like every other roof here. What have you ordered?
I've ordered pineapple fried rice, but I thought it actually came in the pineapple because that's what the picture said, and it doesn't. So little.
Lied to you.
Yeah, it lied to me, and I'm a little bit disappointed, but I'm over it already, so that's nice.
And anyway, I've ordered like a Thai dish I've never had before, like pad mee mang mong or something. I don't know, but I have no idea what it's going to taste like.
I was still talking.
How did you enjoy the waterfall today?
I thought it was really cool. Swimming wise, it's probably about 2 plim blobs. So. But like the actual waterfall as well, and if you kind of had the guts to go down the slide, it would have been about 15 plim blobs, but... Sorry.
Pineapple fried rice, curry and mee yang wong, I don't know. It looks nice. Okay, so I wasn't recording and we just did about a 2-minute conversation. But I've ordered seconds and we're not going to the
Hot springs
because it's getting too late.
and we're really hot.
Yeah, and we're hot. We were going to go to a casino in Bangkok, but we just realised that it's illegal.
No, I just found out that it's illegal because it's illegal to gamble in Thailand. So they suggest that you go across the border to Cambodia.
And then we were saying when we crossed the border to Cambodia a couple of years ago, there were so many casinos and we thought, what the hell's going on? And it's because people cross there, gamble and then leave. But we've decided we're leaving and we're going to go watch the sunset. Is that the plan?
And I want to change the world.
What's the time? 4. Oh, we've got like 2 hours till the sunset.
No.
Yeah, the sunset's at 6.
20 to 5.
What we could do is we could just go on bikes and then just see where we end up and then
And then watch the sunset.
watch the sunset, man. Life is tough. Sometimes you just
I
gotta
just want to ride around on the bike.
take a chill pill, go where the road takes you.
I'm going to pay for my stuff separately and then I'm going to go to the toilet.
We were just driving down the road and happened to be going past the canyon again, so we've decided to come here because apparently it's a really nice sunset. So as you can see behind me, the sun's already setting, so we're going to run up to the top.
Kind of sun where it's like just a little slit in the clouds and it's there for like a few
That's
seconds.
setting over there, you can see it. Mine too. It looks like everyone's coming back down, so maybe we missed the main part of the sun, but
Or it's a little bit overcast.
yeah, or it's not very good. Or the sunset's not yet and they're leaving because they're not here for the sunset. So I'm going to stop blabbering on. Try at the top now. I'm going to film a time lapse of the sunset. So that's the sunset done, so I think we're going to head back to the room now and call it a night. So I just heard some like crashing sounds over there, so I ran round to see if someone had fallen in, and they had, but they're on the other side and he was climbing out. And apparently they've got a video of him falling 15 metres, so waiting for him to come up. He fell in?
Yeah, but he was trying to climb up out from the other side.
Yeah. So I thought they had fallen in.
But it's like, I didn't break anything, so it's alright.
Are you sure you're okay?
I mean, the scar still heal. Yeah.
Oh. Don't know if it comes up on the camera.
Don't video it.
How far did you fall?
It was a good 10 meters, I bet.
Yeah.
Let's see if that video catch it. Yeah, it was kind of a bad video, but I tried to zoom in and it didn't really work. Yeah, it's alright. It's starting to get dark.
Oh, you're right by the top.
He's the black pants there. He almost,
Yeah,
he was
yeah.
like, there he goes.
Oh my god.
We got really nervous and stopped recording, but it's scary watching you fall.
Shit. So you were over that side?
We went down and he's pretty good at it though, like until that fall he's killing it.
Well, he's obviously not that good at it. Luckily he's okay, everything's fine, he's just got that scratch, but yeah, I thought that was just pretty nuts.